Hi, my name is Kevin Nguyen from San Diego, California, and this is my 3-entry cut for the Wahl Online Barber Battle 2. Check it out. First, I will be demonstrating the Pompadour haircut. I will now section off the right and left temporal peak. My first choice of clippers will be the Wahl Magic Clip cordless with the number 2 attachment guards. I will now bring down the sides to number 2. When cutting down the sides, I will make sure the parietal ridge is straight. Now I will be switching to my Sterling 5 trimmers. I will now taper the sideburn areas. To blend in the trimmer line, I will use the lever closed, halfway open, then all the way open. I will now switch to my 1 attachment guard. I will then mark my back guideline in the lower nape area below the occipital bone. Now I will use my previous steps, adding on the half, 1, and 1.5 attachment guard. I will now use my Wahl Sterling 5 trimmers for the sideburn area. I will now use my Wahl retro T-cuts with the T-wide blade for a nice outline. To trim the top of the hair, I will break down the crown into 3 sections. 1, 2, 3. I will cut my first section in the back crown area. Grabbing some of the previous section, I will use that as my traveling guide towards the front. Now I will blow dry the hair to create volume and apply light hair product. Here is a finished look of the Pompadour haircut. For my second haircut, I will be demonstrating a mid-skin fade. To clear the canvas, I will use my Wahl Magic Clip cordless with number 2 attachment guard. For my first guideline, I will use my Wahl retro T-cuts with T-wide blade. I will be switching to my Wahl Figura clippers using the lever close, halfway open, then all the way open to blend in the rest of the lines. I will be switching back to my Wahl Magic Clip cordless using my previous guards. I will then use my clipper over comb technique to blend the rest of the hair into the top area. For the front lineup, I will use my Wahl Magic Clip cordless with number 1 attachment guard, lever open, to get rid of the baby hairs. I will finish up the lineup with my Wahl Retro T-Cuts. For my finishing touches, I will use my 5-star Wahl Super Close Finale Shaver. I will use the razor for a sharper lineup. The final look for the mid bald fade. For my last and final cut, I will demonstrate a creative cut. To clear the canvas of the head, I will use my Wahl 5-star Senior Vintage Edition Premium Clippers with number 1 attachment guard, open. To create the outline of the design, I will use my Wahl Detailer with T-White blade. I will blend in dark areas of the design to create contrast. I will razor in the rest of the lines for a cleaner look. Here is the finished look for the creative cut. Thank you Wahl team for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the haircuts. I'll see you later.